Billiard. I got so much more.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Fucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friend, my name is Fauzan. Then is Tony, is Kamil, and Ridwan. We want to show you how to make dragon fresh juice. The tool are glass, squeeze, knife, and blender. The ingredients are water, sugar, dragon fruit, and milk. Chicken on.
Di sini kita senang, jangan dibikin tegang. No nyinyir hujat-hujatan.